What's up guys, it's Giselle and I'm back with another video. So this video is my DIY hair mask for medium porosity hair. Let's get into it.
Ponte creativa. Todas las mujeres son hermosas, pero la
Use olive oil, avocado, honey, and I used an egg. I didn't show the egg here, but I put it later on. And also I used a blender so that I can mix all the ingredients better. So this is me starting with the avocado, and then I add all the ingredients as I'm going, and I'm just like smashing it into the bowl. I'm not going to keep talking, I'm just going to let it play and fast forward so you guys see what I'm doing.
los dos somos adictos al ser.
A mí me gusta las mujeres when they shake that yeah yeah yeah. A mí me gusta when they wanna go and get it yeah yeah yeah. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta. Tra la calle, yeah 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 yeah. Yeah yeah yeah. Tra.
For the honey, I added 2 tablespoons. Since I only had half a tablespoon, I did 4 of those half tablespoons. So yeah. And then for the olive oil, I should have put it after the mask. Watching videos, I see everyone put it after they mix in the mask. They add a little bit of olive oil. I actually added it in with the mask. I don't think it made a difference, but I'm definitely going to try it the other way after.
Go.
All my ingredients. Now I'm going to add it to the blender, and I'm also going to add an egg to it. I didn't add the egg while I was mixing everything in because I wanted to mix in the blender, hoping that it would kind of like make it softer and like make it blend more in the blender, but it didn't. It actually looked a hot ass mess. It smelled good. It smelled like some guacamole. But I don't know what I did wrong. I definitely have to like keep doing these masks. I just want to show you guys like how it was blending. Eventually it got there, but I had to add more honey and more oil as I was like blending. I'm not sure what I did wrong. After I blended it for a little bit, and I actually mixed it with the spatula thing. I don't know what the hell that thing is called. But yeah, I mixed it more, and then I added a little more honey, a little more olive oil, just because I have a lot of hair, so I wanted to make sure that it was enough. Now I'm showing you guys, I'm in the tub. It smells kind of decent. I wasn't too big on it, but it's gonna do. I want to see what the hell it did for my hair. So first, I'm washing all my hair. I'm making sure that it's really, really wet. Everyone on YouTube was showing that like they made sure to drench their hair in water before they put a mask. That's exactly what I was doing. And then I am going to split it into 4 and section it off, and then do each section. I'm going to stop talking and just let some music play so you guys can basically see what I'm doing. It's very self-explanatory. I just split it into 4, and then I took the mask and I was just massaging it into my scalp, and then just making sure to mix it into the ends. And I sealed them. I sealed it with braids to make sure that everything was like locked in. I'm gonna stop talking in a few seconds. I'm just gonna let the music play. I just wanted to show you guys basically how I got in there. I just basically was trying to put the treatment all throughout my scalp. So the part that I feel like I need the most help with is the middle. I feel like it's the most driest. So I was really trying to like focus on the middle a lot and just put a lot of product, and then I use my detangling brush and just brush from the ends to the top to get everything evenly distributed, and then I added just a little bit more and I braided it to make sure that it was all sealed and good.
Go. gusta. Every time you look at me that way, a mí me gusta. All the dirty things you need every day, a mí me gusta. En cada detalle que te hago y que me haces bien, it's what I like. Yeah, 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 it's just what I like. Yeah, a mí me gusta las mujeres when they shake that, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta when they want they go and get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta.
He likes to eat the cake like it's my B-day. Todos los días en mi cumpleaños. Boy, I like it rough, don't take it easy. Quien se yeah, I like it in the band. Me gustan los machos y que coman cuca. Que siendo el amo me jalen la peluca. Él me dijo que le fascina mi punta. A mí me gusta el dinero, no te confunda. I like girls that kiss on girls, eso me pone on fire, yeah. I like working on my haters, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo tengo el sazón de una afro-latina y muevo mi cintura como Shakira, la caldianita, su fly mamacitas. Bad bitches me gustan toditas.
Ponte creativa. Todas las mujeres son hermosas, pero las más que me gustan son latinas. Ella no es lesbiana, pero a veces escondida a su amiga se la tira. Al ritmo de la música ella mueve las caderas, se me pone hiperactiva. Hace las cosas y no la pillan, ya, ya, ya. Hemos hecho de todo, de todo. Tú di de qué forma y te como yo escojo. Toda esa suciería la volvería a hacer. Ella es mi alma gemela, los dos somos adictos al ser.
A mí me gusta las mujeres when they shake that, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta when they want they go and get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta.
La calle,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Flowers, baby.
Yeah,
Anita,
yeah,
Anita.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now I'm using the remaining of the mask and just finishing it off, putting it all over my head, making sure that it's all still all up in my hair. Put it all in the middle, put it on the braids, and just really get in there. Now I'm gonna seal it with a plastic bag so I can leave it in for about 30 minutes. Just let it sit there, do its magic, and hope that I get some hydrated ass hair, because Lord, my hair been struggling. I made sure to keep my hair mask in for like 20 to 30 minutes. And now it's time to wash it out. So this is me after I took off the shower cap, and I'm about to take down my hair, and I'm going to just wet it in sections so that I'm not making a huge mess. And I already have colored hair, so I didn't want to make a big mess in my shower. And I have too much damn hair to just be doing all in one section, so I had to split it up. So now I'm just really just using the shower head and washing out all the mask out my braids and out my scalp. As you can see on one section, then I'm going to move to the second section and make sure to get it all out. And then I'm going to take down the braids and wash my hair. Someone actually told me that I shouldn't have shampooed my hair after the treatment. I should have just did a pre-poo, but I'm actually getting ready to get my hair done. So I wanted to make sure to have a clean scalp. So I did use shampoo and conditioner. I'm not sure if that affects like the result of the hair mask. Now I'm just taking down the braids and getting ready to shampoo and condition my hair. I actually use a highly recommended shampoo and conditioner. It's called Jaico. My hairstylist Ebony, also known as Textured Press, is like big on the shampoo and conditioner. I feel like it hydrates my hair well, so it is something that I use regularly. Years ago, I learned how to wash my hair on YouTube, and a girl always said to like lather like the shampoo in your hands and then go into your scalp first, then your ends. So I've always washed my hair like that ever since I watched the video. That's why you guys see me like moving the product in my hand and then just kind of getting it into my scalp first before I just start putting it all over my hair. So before I forget, make sure to wash your hair with cold water. Yes, it's a little cold, but the benefits of washing your hair with cold water are so much better than freaking frying your hair. And also because of the hair mask, if I was to use hot water, the egg would have started cooking in my head, and that would have gave me scrambled eggs in my head, and I'm not with that shit. So make sure to wash your hair with cold water. I usually always wash my hair with cold water or lukewarm water, but really cold, because I could take it for like 30 minutes. It's not that serious. Then I just make sure to wash everything out and do the same on the other side.
He likes to eat the cake like it's my B-day. Todos los días en mi cumpleaños. Boy, I like it rough, don't take it easy. Quien se yeah, I like it in the band. Me gustan los machos y que coman cuca. Que haciendo el amor me jalen la peluca. Él me dijo que le fascina mi punta. A mí me gusta el dinero, no te confunda. I like girls that kiss on girls, eso me pone on fire. I like working on my haters, yeah. Yo tengo el sazón de una afro-latina y muevo mi cintura como Shakira, la caldianita, su fly mamacitas. Bad bitches me gustan toditas.
So I'm just rinsing out the shampoo. Then I'm going to go in with the conditioner. So I'm just making sure that all the shampoo is out my hair. And then I'm going to go in with the Glyco conditioner. First of all, my hair felt really nice and soft. Like, even after shampoo. Usually shampoo dries up your hair. But my hair felt so, like, nice. Like, I don't know how else to say it. And then with the conditioner, I don't know, it just felt like 10 times better. So I put a lot of conditioner because I have thick ass hair, and I just try and make sure to get it all in there. For this part, I didn't section to 2. I just sectioned my hair into 2 sections. I usually do 4 sections, but I was on a little time crunch. I always make sure to like comb through. I don't really put the detangling brush to it because I feel like I'd be losing a lot of hair like that. So I just try and do the rake through method or whatever the hell you call it and get all that conditioner in there. This conditioner has great slip, by the way, so highly recommend it for the curly girls and the girls who are starting their journeys. Glyco is it for me, okay? Just adding more conditioner, making sure to add a lot to the end. And then while I let the conditioner sit there for about 5 minutes, I just put it into like 2 twists so that my hair is not just out and I'm not letting the conditioner escape when I'm taking a shower. So I just made sure to put it into 2 twists. I'm about to get into how I do it. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do my twist or how I do my braids for my own hair, you guys can let me know. I will definitely make like a more detailed video with like a voiceover just kind of explaining. But I just take these 2 strands. I try to zoom in so you guys can see, but I'm just pulling at the first part and pulling at the second part and just making sure to keep the product up in there I put a lot of conditioner because I like to see all the conditioner like throughout the hair and let it sit there. These twists were nice and juicy. Look at them. Smell nice. Then I do the other side. Oh yeah, that's basically it.
Ponte creativa. Todas las mujeres son hermosas, pero las más que me gustan son.
It's wash out time, so I'm just washing out all the conditioner out of my hair, making sure to wash it with cold water. My hair feels so good. It feels so freaking hydrated. That treatment, from a 1 through 10, I will give that treatment like a 8. And the only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 was because I messed up doing it. So I'm sure that if I like do it the proper way and like really pay attention to how people do it, then I would give it a 10 out of 10 because that treatment was it. It worked really well. So I'm just rinsing out everything that's left, making sure I get everything out. Cold water. I'm gonna keep saying cold water because a lot of the YouTube videos I was watching, they were not saying cold water. They were just saying wash it. So I want to make sure that y'all know cold water is it. Like, y'all see how hydrated my hair looks, how good and freaking moisturized it looks. And that's no products in it at all. It was just the wash. My hair never looks like that when I just take all the products out. It be looking dry as hell. So this treatment, 10 out of 10 for sure. Well, 8 out of 10 because when I do it again, it would look way better. But yeah, I got out the shower and then I just put a t-shirt. That's usually my wash t-shirt that I dry my hair with because I don't dry my hair with a towel. And then I'm going to show you guys the next clip where I put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner. And then I put some extra virgin olive oil. So with this, since I'm going to apply heat to my hair, I didn't put that much leave-in. I just kind of like put some on my fingertips and spread it like throughout my hair. Just kind of combed it through real quick with my fingers. And then I'm using the olive oil just to seal in the moisture on my ends since I have a little bit of dry hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. And I don't know, it definitely like makes my hair feel good, especially when I add heat to it. I was prepping my hair for a sew-in. So this is me adding the olive oil. And I'm just putting on my fingertips and then just kind of combing it through my ends. And I made sure to hit like that middle spot. Since I have like shorter curls up there, I still want to make sure to get those ends and get it all really throughout my hair. This is the first time I've washed my hair with the color in it. And I want to say that it was a good process. And I feel like if I continue to create a routine for myself, then I'm going to be like good. I think my hair is going to continue to grow, continue to be nice and strong. The dye didn't really affect it. You guys still see my curls, and that's basically it. I just ended it with a little bit of oil, and this is my DIY hair mask wash day. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Y'all better like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.